Okay guys, listen ladies, whenever you want to get dressed but you don't want to overdo it, you don't want to do your makeup, get some long nails. Guys, so we have one Long Island and she's also making a electric lemonade, which is kind of like the blue motherfucker. Okay, that's right sis. What's up mamas? So today we are on our way to the movies to go.
Today is a new day.
And it's a new day, but he has on the same
shit
clothes.
on from yesterday.
Ladies, y'all might be like, ew, why does he wear the same? That's just a hood nigga thing, I guess. Wearing the same shit for like 2 days straight. Okay? Zone it.
Hood nigga? What's wrong with you?
Well, what are you?
Huh?
Prep boy.
YouTube.
He's a YouTuber.
They call me the YouTuber.
A YouTuber. But today it's this lovely Saturday. I still have in my Yule hair. And I just got on something chill today. Gucci glasses. Listen ladies, whenever you want to get dressed but you don't want to overdo it, you don't want to do your makeup, get some long nails, some glasses, and some hoop earrings. And it does it, doesn't it babe? The hoop earrings and the glasses definitely turns it up a little bit, okay? So yeah, we're about to be on our way to the movies. Let's go! Guys, make sure you keep some mints in your car. These are the best ones. Actually, the strawberry mint, the sour strawberry ones are really good. These are good too.
So we about to go check out the boy Brian Banks.
Listen, we were supposed
I just seen it on the ground and say, I want to see it. Fuck it.
Listen, we were supposed to go to the dollar store and get a whole bunch of snacks and stuff. That's why I bought my big bag and put it in there because this shit is high as fuck here. So I'm gonna go get a drink. Ladies, does your boyfriend ever pick out a movie that you really don't want to see like that?
I want to see that shit you like to see. I got everything you want to see.
Because I'm a down ass bitch. I just suck it in and just go. But yeah, so.
Trying to get a drink?
Yeah. Okay guys, so we have one Long Island and she's also making a electric lemonade, which is kind of like the blue motherfucker. Okay. That's right sis.
Nigga, white girl. Oh, this shit for sure.
Okay, so these cakes are done.
For sure. I just wrote that yesterday. I said, damn. Check them out. This shit, we ain't doing that no more.
Did anybody go outside up here?
That's that shit who to be at. It's chilling.
Walk through this on your own. I love you, Junior. Look what we created. You were the inspiration for all of this. Why not just make a whole army full of them? Why not? You should be flattered. You should be dead. This has to be stopped.
Okay guys, so
This shit is see the lady in there. She was trying to lady.
stop.
Right next to
The movie was so sad. I was crying because it was about a boy that had. Shut the fuck up. It was about a boy who was wrongly convicted for rape, and he never got to live his football dream. So he kept fighting and fighting. And he finally won the case. And it's not funny because it's based on a true story. So he finally got to play for the Falcons. It was just so sad. When his mom started talking, I was crying. But I'm about to go pee real quick. What's going on, mamas? Happy Sunday. Y'all already know I'm about to do a Sunday dinner. So today I'm gonna be making baked chicken, cream spinach, cornbread, corn. Wait, baked chicken, cream spinach, cornbread, and corn. Yeah, and it's just gonna be good as shit. So yeah, so first I got the chicken. Wait, this shit looks nasty. What you wanna do is you wanna clean your chicken with vinegar. You wanna clean your chicken with vinegar and season it very well. Put some onions in there and just season it very, very good. Make sure you wash your chicken with vinegar. You could use white vinegar or apple cider, but I had apple cider. And you wanna get 2 cans of cream, can y'all see? Get 2 cans of cream of mushroom. If you don't like mushrooms, you can get regular cream of chicken or cream of celery, okay? This is what the cream of mushroom looks like. So you just wanna mix everything up. This looks so nasty. Oh, make sure you add red cayenne pepper into this too to make it a little bit spicy. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be like the gravy. Oh, that's what I'm making with it. Yellow rice too. So I'm having yellow. So it's gonna be cream of chicken, cream of spinach, corn, cornbread, and rice. Okay guys, so I forgot to get a big aluminum pan, so I kind of had to like stack the chicken up on here. But you want to put the oven on for 400 and put aluminum foil on top and let it cook slowly. Everything is just going to become like a gravy, and it's just going to be so good. So hopefully everything still cooks good, because it's like the chicken is stacked on top of each other. So we'll see. But I'm about to put this and let this cook for about 2 hours. So you're going to need some cornbread, some melted butter, you're gonna need milk, sugar, and I think we're gonna need 1 egg, okay? And we're gonna put a honey butter sauce on this when it's done. And we're gonna make them into cupcakes. So, if you know, when you're cooking and stuff like that, you always gotta have like a little wine or something. So I got me this cute little barefoot Moscato. I got this from Target. Bitch don't sip wine while she's cooking. The food is gonna be fucking nasty, okay? I'm just kidding. You make the mixture, you add the eggs, the milk, and the sugar. You want to add actually 1/3 cup of sugar, and you're gonna add a little bit of this melted butter. So just add a little bit of that, like that much, and mix it all together. This is what's gonna help it taste so moist and good. So 1 box of the mix, it says that it makes 6 to 8 corn muffins. So I just went and did 6, and you're gonna fill it up to like right here, because it's gonna rise, okay? But make sure you butter it or put some type of non-stick oil. So y'all know, since it's Sunday, I'm looking super bummy, so excuse me. But for the cream spinach, guys, I'm telling y'all, I know normally I make everything fresh, but I'm telling you, this cream spinach in the bag is so good. It's really good. So I got 3 bags of this. So what you want to do is steam them for 5 minutes in the bag, and then we're gonna add our own little special stuff to make it taste really, really good. So I haven't mastered making cream spinach yet. When I make it from scratch, it doesn't taste as good. I don't know why, but this is really good. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do to it. So I get 3 bags and cut it open and then add it to 1 big bowl. So as you can see, this is what 3 bags get you. It's not a lot. So if you're cooking for a big family, I would recommend getting a lot of bags. So it's just me and Luke, so I got 3. So that's the cream. You want to mix everything up. Parmesan cheese, some butter, some garlic powder, and some adobo seasoning, okay? So you want to add a tablespoon. You want to add a tablespoon of butter, like a couple to your liking of Parmesan cheese, I would say. And I'm going to show you guys what it all looks like after it's mixed up. So after everything is mixed up, this is what it looks like. So to get the cheese, I mean, it's already hot, but to get the cheese to melt a little bit better, I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. So I took the lid off of the chicken. I took the aluminum foil off the chicken so that it can get a little bit crispy and so that the sauce could thicken up. But be very, very careful. So this is like after 2 hours. But be very careful with mixing it around, because look at that. The meat is so tender that it falls literally right off the bone. So this is stuff, this is chicken that fell off the bone. See? So it's so tender. Yeah, and just let it sit for a little bit so the sauce could thicken up a little bit more. I know it looks kind of gross, guys, but it's really good. So that's why I like to use 2 cans. It's gonna look watery. So after the first hour, take the aluminum foil off so that it could thicken up a little bit. But you want a lot of sauce to put on the rice. And I'm just making yellow rice from Goya. And I already made my corn. I just put butter and seasoning salt on it. Butter, seasoning salt, and Old Bay. And this is the yummy chicken. And then we got our cream spinach right here. One of them got too big, but it's okay. And of course you want to finish it off with a little bit of parsley. But really this is like chicken and gravy, so good. Now, you could have put it in a bigger pan. Mine was just really small. And don't forget to add sugar into your corn. We're just waiting for the rice now. Okay guys, this is all done now. Let me get a thumbnail. But yeah, this is everything. It's so good, guys. The cornbread came out messy, I don't know, but I made it look pretty. Ladies, remember, don't serve your man on a paper plate, okay? Remember, I told you that. Look at this.
Also, how incredibly happy you make me.
You funny as shit, man. You see your face.
We just had a little hit of the blunt real quick, so I'm a little giggly. But yep, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.